This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All investments carry risk, so consult a financial professional before making decisions. So hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing four trading chart analysis platform and see if which is best for 2025. So let's start with MotiveWave. So this is ideal for traders focused on Elliott wave, Fibonacci, harmonic patterns, and strategy design. So the features advanced charting, backtesting, and trade simulation. It also supports multiple brokers such as IB, OANDA, CQG, and etc. It also offers lifetime license options for serious traders. So with the pros, it has great visual tools for wave theory. It also have robust strategy builder and custom indicators and alerts. For the cons is add-ons can be expensive and steeper learning curve for beginners. So it may be hard for a lot of beginners to start with. Now, let's go ahead with the Bookmap. So this is ideal for scalpers and order flow traders. So this visualizes real-time order flow, market depth, and liquidity zones using heat maps. So this works with major data feeds like Rhythmic, CQG, and DX feed. So it also offers plugin support and market replays features. Now for pros and cons is, for the pros, it has unmatched visualization of liquidity. It also is great for quick decisions, and the plug-in marketplace is great. For the cons is it's not designed for swing or long-term charting, and it relies heavily on external data feeds. Now for the next one is the Sierra chart or the Shira chart. So this is ideal for hardcore futures and volume profile traders. This is extremely fast, low latency charting in Gene. It also offers full customization via spreadsheets or code. And it is excellent for TPO profiles, volume analysis, and the DOM trader or the DOM trading. Now for pros, it is highly customizable and it has very low resource usage and is great for power users. For the cons is its old school UI and complex setup for beginners. And the last one is the NinjaTrader. So this is ideal for all-around retail traders, especially in futures. So it combines charting, strategy development, and live trading. It also comes with its own brokerage for seamless execution and is good for algo traders and those looking for an ecosystem. For pros, it has free charting and sim trading. It has also integrated brokerage and is active user community. For cons is some tools are gated behind paid license and also better with NinjaTrader brokerage than third-party brokers. So, which should you choose? So, if you want best for order flow, then you just have to go with Bookmap. And then if you're looking for best for Elliott wave analysis, then go with MotiveWave. And if you like volume profiles plus customization, you go with Sierra chart. And best all-in-one platform, then go with NinjaTrader. So for the overview, MotiveWave is best for Elliott wave and technical strategy. And the starting price is $99, and this is lifetime available. Now for Bookmap, it is best for order flow and heat map scalping, and the starting price is $19 per month. Now with the Shira chart, it is best for precision futures trading, and it starts at $26 per month. And lastly is the NinjaTrader. It is best for all-in-one platform plus brokerage. So free charting, then you just have to pay for trading. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!